So do you want to make money with YouTube, but you don't really want to make videos, be in the videos, plan out the videos, or any part of the YouTube process, but you want to make money? YouTube automation might be for you. So let me tell you guys what the whole workflow looks like if you were to run a YouTube automation business. So here we have you, right? Right here, we'll have you right there. And let's say you want money. So you want money from YouTube because you see so many people earning money from YouTube. So why not try getting your slice of the pie? Let's call it a pizza pie because regular pie doesn't sound as appetizing, but nice pepperoni bacon pizza, that just sounds fantastic. But you, whoops, I made a mistake there. Let's get rid of that. So you want money, don't want to make videos or be in them, right? So you don't want to show your face because who knows, you might be a little concerned about what other people might think about you if you're making videos. I personally don't care, but some people are like that. Some people want to be a YouTuber, but they don't want to actually be in the videos, so they make faceless channels. So you want money, you don't want to make videos or be in them. So what do? You go out and you hire a freelancer. You know what? Let's change the color of this. Freelancer, and let's make it orange. Does orange look great? All right. So you go out and you hire a freelancer, right? So in order to go through with the YouTube automation business model, you actually have to have some starting capital because you're going to be paying somebody to basically run the YouTube channel for you, start it, make the videos, and do the thumbnails, do the titles, everything. You're basically just the business owner without actually doing anything to contribute to the business other than maybe some ideas. So your freelancer, they will be making the videos, right? So they're making the videos and also making the thumbnail. Okay, and some people have it that they're making the videos themselves, uploading onto the channel, making the thumbnails, and even publishing. They're full on just running the YouTube channel, and you're just paying them. So we'll just do one more for all YouTube stuff, right? So we'll do that, and it's coming a little bit off screen here, so we'll move it like that. Okay, so you want all the benefits of being a YouTuber without actually doing the work. Let's say you have some money you want to invest in starting it, so you will pay a freelancer in order to, whoops, doing some dots here, in order to make the videos, make the thumbnail, and all the other stuff that comes with being a YouTuber. So you're offloading all of that onto someone. Now you might be wondering, what type of person is going to watch these videos, like these faceless videos? And the answer to that is educational content, like guides, tutorials. If I want to teach you how to do something on my phone, all I have to do is do like a screen recording, do a voiceover, talk about, hey, this is how you do with your iPhone. So that is the type of content that these YouTube automation channels are doing, or they could be doing like top 10 content or film critiques, that type of thing. Anything that you could just do a voiceover without having to show your face and people could search for. So evergreen content, that evergreen means like a video that you have there that you might publish a whole year ago, but is still relevant to this day. Like I could search how to upload a YouTube video, and in 10 years from now, I could still watch that video, and that video will still teach me how to upload onto YouTube. So yeah, you start out with the amount of money in the beginning. You pay the freelancer, let's just say like $5 per video. So you pay $5 per video. They will actually create the content. So let's just say video content. So this is the product that they actually, you know, produce for you. You just so all of that comes down to here, creates one final thing. So you paid, let's say you paid $5 for each piece of content. Let me just bring this over. Okay, so this video here, let's just say you're paying someone $5 per video, and some videos might not even generate $5 in revenue. However, some videos might generate like $10 in revenue. So if you get enough videos that generate more revenue than 5, like if you're profiting more than you're losing, then that is the ideal situation, right? So let's just say video content, so it's just going to funnel back to you right here. So let's just say this one video might have paid you $10, right? So let's say you just got $10, like you paid this person $5 in order to make this happen, the freelancer, to do all this stuff, make the video, thumbnail, all YouTube stuff, video content, and the video made $10, which goes to you, so you get $5 in profit for that one video. And something neat about YouTube is that, you know, it doesn't just stop at $10 here. If it's an evergreen video, if it's a video that people are constantly searching for, it's going to make, you know, after a while maybe $13, right? And then in which case you just profited $8 from that one video, and then down the road, who knows, maybe you'll make 20 videos or $20 for that video. And that's just for one video. If you have a huge catalog of evergreen videos, and you could constantly make you know, like $1 per day on, like, let's just say 10 videos, then you get $10 per day, and it just kind of snowballs like that. However, ultimately your cost of production for that video was $5. So now you're $15 in the green, and you're just snowballing it, and you're just constantly building onto that library. So that's what this business model is, and that's why it's super popular right now. There's so many people running faceless YouTube channels and just paying a freelancer to basically do everything for them, while they just sit on the back end, collect the YouTube ad revenue or any affiliate companies that they might be a part of. So it's just a really interesting thing to see. I might dabble in this at some point this year just to see how well it works, and I will definitely document the process. So if you're looking forward to a series like that, then definitely be sure to hit that subscribe button. But there's a similar business model that I'm doing for one of my YouTube channels. I've been making a bunch of tutorials and guides, but I've been the one who's making them, so I haven't really been paying a freelancer to do any of this stuff. I'm basically just here, I want the money, and then I'm just skipping this whole step right here, and then I'm just producing the videos, and it's just building my catalog of videos and just constantly getting views via search results. That's probably the best way to go about YouTube, is creating searchable videos that people could look for, like, you know, every single day, every single week, every single month for years on end. So you could make like revenue from that video daily, and just have like 100 of those videos, and you'll be making big money on YouTube. So that is YouTube automation summarized in a simple way for anyone to understand. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.